Welcome back to FashionGo Dropshipping. In this video, we'll show you how to connect FashionGo Dropshipping with your online store. After you log on to FashionGo Dropshipping, you'll see a store setup checklist at the top of your screen. Click on the down arrow on the right. You will be prompted to connect your store. Please put in your store's URL and click Connect. You will be routed to Shopify to log in to confirm. You will be able to see if the connection was successful, and a check mark next to Connect Your Store should turn blue. Next, continue to the Adjust Your Store Settings tab. Click on Go to Page and be redirected to FashionGo Dropshipping to set your price markup and order settings. A more detailed tutorial and setting your price rules can be found in the Help Center. Once your pricing rules have been set, please click on the Order Settings tab to set those up. Both the pricing rule setting and order settings will be synced to your Shopify store to reflect in the products that you are importing. You can find more details on how to set autopay in the Help Center. After those settings are finalized, please click Find Product to go back to your checklist. The check mark next to Adjust Your Store Settings should now be blue. From there, please complete the checklist by adding products to your import list and sync products to your store. You can manage your products directly on FashionGo Dropshipping, and it will automatically update on your online store. Now sit back and enjoy the truly hassle-free automated platform. Do less and achieve more. And make sure to check back to see what other platforms are being added to connect to FashionGo Dropshipping.